Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be reviewing and swatching the Colourpop Truly Madly Deeply eyeshadow palette. This palette is available now at Ulta stores and it's exclusive to Ulta. I'm sure it will eventually be online, but for now you can only find it at Ulta stores. This is a 16 eyeshadow pan palette that retails for $23. The packaging of this palette is all cardboard with the magnetic closure and no mirror is included. If you're not familiar with Colourpop's palettes, these are mini-sized eyeshadow pans. The eyeshadows do have names and they are printed under each eyeshadow and also on the back of the palette. I believe this palette is permanent since I couldn't find anything that stated it's limited edition. The color story of this palette is a mixture of neutrals and soft pinks with some pressed glitters. Out of the 16 eyeshadows, 8 are matte, 5 are shimmers, and 3 are pressed glitters. So when I did the swatches for the mattes, they all swatch pigmented. When I tested them with the brush, I did have some minor kick up and fallout. I didn't have any issues when blending out the eyeshadows. When I swatched the shimmers, some were creamier than others. The shades Sweet Dreams and Misty were the only two shimmers that swatched a bit sheer and I had to layer them a couple times. They apply better when using a finger application or using a wet synthetic brush. For the pressed glitters, I find that they are easy to work with. They transfer good when using a finger, but for me, I like using a silicone applicator like the one that Huda Beauty has or the Makeupshack. The one for the Makeupshack is so much more affordable since it's only $3.99, plus I do have a code with them that will save you 20% off. I'll go ahead and have that information down below for those that are interested. So overall, I like the palette better than what I expected. It has a pretty color story and I find it's very affordable since you're able to use the coupon that Ulta has that it's $3.50 off. So I hope this video was helpful. Let me know what you guys think about this palette. Please don't forget to give me a like and subscribe, and I will see you guys very soon on my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching.